So first of all, our first step is put the date. What's the date today?
19th December.
ये तो बोलता नहीं 2020. So I told you we are going to start poem 3. I left poem 2 because just we have started. First we should come in our flow. Okay, then we will do the poem 2. It's little bit lengthy also, and I can't say the complicated, very easy. But first we will do the very small poems. When we will be in the flow of the English period, then we will start at the end, we will take the second one. Okay, so write the heading of the poem 3, Keeping Quiet. Who is the poet? Pablo Neruda. Keeping Quiet. A very short introduction about the poet. Pablo Neruda, he was born in 1904 and died in 1973. He was rewarded with Nobel Prize in 1971. His poems, they are very beautiful, very meaningful, and very easy to understand. Okay, that is about Pablo Neruda. Now the heading of the poem is, what's the heading of the poem?
Keeping quiet.
Keeping quiet. We know about this because so many times we are listening this thing from our teacher from the junior class. Keep quiet, keep quiet. Don't make noise, keep quiet. That means keeping quiet, the meaning is very much clear to us. But why the poet is saying to us the keeping quiet and to whom he is addressing keeping quiet? What's the purpose of this poem is there? Why keep quiet is there? The poet, he wants to say this thing that we are at present, we are living a very hectic life. We are hurrying, we are rushing, no time is there. And with this hectic life, but without any direction, we are running, we are moving, we are rushing, and we are not staying for a moment. जिसके साथ भी बात कर लो, टाइम नहीं है, तूने वो नहीं किया, टाइम नहीं मिला, टाइम नहीं है, अभी भी टाइम नहीं है. मे बी द स्टूडेंट लाइफ इज देयर, मे बी द ग्रोन अप आर देयर, इवन द स्मॉल किड्स आर देयर. आपको मैंने ये बोला था किया नहीं, टाइम नहीं मिला. So what is time means? We are now the what is the main biggest debate of the present time is there? Global warming, environmental pollution. Okay, and we know when there are the discussions on the high level, there are the debates are there, and even then we know that the ozone layer, it is depleting, environment, it is polluting, and moreover, when there is a requirement of the buildings and the thing, we are cutting the trees, we are killing animals, we are destroying our environment. But even then, we don't stop. We know that there is a threat to our life, and it is said that one day there will be no planet Earth. We know it very well. But even then, we are not stopping. We are rushing. We are hurrying. Still, we are busy with the same. So, the same thing is mentioned by the poet. Okay? What he says, keeping quiet. Keeping quiet here refers to, he says, we should stop our activities for once, for a trial. For once, we should stop all our activities. What he says to the people of the universe. He says, I'll count up to 12. 12 means why he has taken the 12, not the 11, 10, this clock. Okay? I'll count up to 12. Then I request that all the people of the universe, they should keep quiet. Keep quiet means we will not sit likewise. Keep quiet, we will not move our arms. We will not speak different languages, and we will not do any type of the activity. That means when it will happen like this, why he said so? Why we should stop our activities for once, for a trial? What he say that when the person is cutting the tree, the moment he take his axe and cut, at the same time there is 12, and he has to stop for 1 second. Okay, when he stop, after that he may change his mind. The person who is going to kill to another person, at that time it is 12 and he'll stop. गुस्सा क्या होता है? We are short tempered. जो हाथ में आया मार दिया. Once we distract for a second, कहीं भी ध्यान चला गया, कुछ भी हो गया, मान लो हमारा चाकू राइफल ही नीचे गिर गया, उठाने लगे, उसके बाद छोड़ इसको, क्या मारना. ठीक है, we change our mind. In the same manner, the poet, he says, the world is leading towards disaster. And we are just rushing, hurrying without any direction because we don't have the time for self-introspection. The main thing is there, self-introspection. Self-introspection means to listen the voice of our inner conscious, okay? To think about ourselves, to get the time about self-introspection, we should think what we are doing, where we are going, what's going on. So for this only, the poet, he says to the people that we should stop our activity. And when we will stop, at that time, we will get the time for the self-introspection. We will get the time to think about our future course of action. And so that then we can see that which direction we should take. कि जहाँ हम जा रहे हैं, it is right, इधर ही जाना है. Without direction, nothing is there. And when we are moving without direction, nothing is there. That is in the part 1 of the poem, Keeping Quiet. We will write about the part 1 also. First you write down part 1. Part 1. Effects of keeping quiet. Lines first we will see. You see the book also. Lines 1 to 6. Lines 1 to 6. Write the first line. Now we will count up to arms so much. These are lines 1 to 6. In lines 1 to 6, the poet, he says, when we will count up to 12 and we will stop for once, we will stop our activities. We will not move our arms. Move our arms, we will not do any activity. We will not speak any language. Why? Because he says in this world, people, they are speaking the different languages. They belong to different regions. And when there are the small discussions are there, debates are there, and because of the different languages, they lead to disputes. When they lead to disputes, they are ready to kill each other. So for once we will stop and we will not speak any language, we will not do any activity. No engine, no machinery will be done in any industry or any factory. There should be complete silence in the whole universe. For once only, we should do this. This is our line 1 to 6. See the lines? Now we will count to 12 and we will all keep still. Still, no movement. We will all keep still for once, for trial. For once on the face of the earth, on the surface of the earth. For once, for a trial, only on the surface of the earth, let's not speak in any language. We will not speak any language. Let's stop for 1 second and not move our arms so much. So we will not move our arms. Means we will not do any activity. The person who is cutting the tree, he will stop. Who is killing the animal, he will stop. Who is killing another person, he will stop. Okay, the machines, they are running, the vehicles, they are flying on the roads, everything will be stopped. In line number 1 to 6, there is a plea and a request of the poet to the whole people of the universe. See lines 1 to 6, any doubt is there? For once, fertile, face of the earth, surface of the earth. Only write one question. Let's not speak in any language. Write in commas. Let's not speak in any language. Why count to 12? Because of the clock. Okay, time, day, night, the clockwise 1 to 12. That's why 12 is taken. Let's not speak in any language, says the poet. Says the poet. Why does he say so? Question is, why does he say so? Write the answer of this question only. People in different countries speak different languages. People in different countries speak different languages. He wants all the people remain quiet and still. He wants all the people remain quiet and still. In this way, arguments and counter arguments will stop. In this way, arguments and counter arguments will stop. Which will avoid disputes and quarrels among the people. Which will stop quarrels and disputes among the people. So main the languages का था. Write one question I'll ask to you.
Please repeat after will stop after arguments and counter arguments will stop after that. Please repeat.
But we have people in different countries speak different languages. He wants all the people. He wants all the people of the world to remain quiet and still. In this way, arguments and counter arguments of the people will stop and avoid the debates and discussion, the disputes and the quarrels among them. And avoid disputes and quarrels among them. So any sentence formation we can make, but the answer is that. Second question, what should we not do for a second? What should we not do for a second? Okay, last question was, let's not speak in any language, says the poet. Why does he say so? That was the question. Second one is, what should we not do for a second? What should we not do?
We should not
Move our arms and speak any language. We should stop all activities. We shouldn't move our arms. Move our arms means stop activities. Naturally, ठीक है ना? Move our arms. We should stop our activities and not speak any language.
weapons, arms, weapons.
Anything we will do with the hands and the arms. When we will not use them, naturally activities that will be stopped. Okay? So see the lines 1 to 6. Any doubt is there, asked to me.
Excuse me.
Yes, beta.
What is the meaning of face of the earth?
Surface of the earth. Face means surface. Rush. What's the mean of rush? Rush mean we are running fast. We are busy with the vehicles. So many vehicles are there on the first surface of the earth. And we can see the change now. That is not only the bookish now, you can say, because of the COVID-19, we come to know about this thing. What has happened at the starting? You might have seen the different WhatsApp posts and the things that the water of the lakes and the rivers, it's so clear. Even the mountains and the hills, they were so clear. And there is the stars. We are unable to see the starry sky because of fog, because of smog, dust. But how, and the fuel, the vehicles, they were not running on the roads. And how we were able to see the starry sky. So what is that? The same thing the poet wants, but the poet, he doesn't want the COVID type, such type of the disease is there. There should be there. But we have seen, okay, we have just realized this thing, that everything has been stopped and we are inside the homes, how the environment it was pollution free. But life is, what is running on? We have done in the last poem also. What is life? Running, progressing. Okay? Life doesn't mean that we should stop the activities and we should sit like that. No, that is not the life. But we should see how we can save our planet Earth. We know each and everything. But even then, we are running, we are rushing. Rushing means we are doing so many things. Next, 7 to 10. It would be strangeness. Now, what is mentioned by the poet in 7 to 10 lines? In 7 to 10 lines, the poet says what he has said in lines 1 to 6, that we should stop our activity. What to whom he is saying? To the people of the universe. Now you see, when in the whole universe, no activity is going on, we are not speaking any language, okay, we are not doing any work, no vehicle is flying on the road, no work is done by the machineries in the factories and the industries, pin drop silence is there. That will be very unusual thing. That will be very, okay, beta. That will be very unusual thing. Very strangeness is there. You might have, you can say, the experience when you were in 10th standard in school life. Okay, on 31st Jan, the Mahatma Gandhi's day was there, Martyr Day. तो एक बेल बजती थी 11 बजे, पीटीआई विसल बजाता था. There was the whole in people, they just keep quietness is there in the schools, and we just stand for 1 second for to याद है कुछ? और एक vicinity, that the vicinity of that school even, there is quietness, calmness, and we feel very strangeness. Pin drop silence for there. Otherwise, so much noise is there in the school. But on that particular day, you speak in Hindi only. English is not your cup of tea. Okay. And what you will do in the board exam at that time? What will be the cup of tea of yours? Try to understand. Somebody is there. Don't want to take the name. Understand, beta. Here you are only for the 12th standard English. What you will do after 12th standard? Where you will go? No US? No Canada? No Australia? No, not like that. Don't think likewise. And I'm so speaking of in your own language. I'm not speaking so much very high vocab is there. In very simple language, I'm telling you the things. So try to understand. इतनी तो इंग्लिश आनी है, नहीं तो कहाँ जाएंगे, कहाँ कनाल में थोड़ा बैठे रहना सारी उम्र. पूरा वर्ल्ड घूमो. This is an international language. Don't stuck with the English only up to the March. When the paper will be done, फिर हमें कुछ नहीं इंग्लिश आए ना आए. कहाँ जाओगे आप? You can't do. Okay, what we were doing about the line 7 to 10. What is line 7 to 10? When there will be quietness in the whole universe, and that will be a very unusual or strangeness will be there. Okay, so in the same manner, the 4 lines are there. See, it would be an exotic movement. Exotic, very strange. Exotic movement without rush, without engines, without rush, no vehicles they are running on the, they apply on the road. Without engine, no work is done in the industries and the factories. We would all be together in a sudden strangeness. We would all be, we refer to
The
people
people of the universe.
of the universe. Very good. We were all together in a sudden strangeness. Write the questions. What would be an exotic movement? What would be an exotic movement? Exotic, unusual, strange movement. What would be an exotic movement? What would be an exotic movement? When the people of the world, they are still, okay? That will be the people, they are quiet and still without any rush. And they do not move their arms and the tongue, right? Second one, why would it be an exotic movement? First is what? Now second question is, why would it be an exotic movement?
Because it will promote unity and introspection.
Now, why it would be an, now what is the exotic movement? When we all quite still, not doing any activity. Why would it be? There is quite huge silence, we can say, because there was a huge silence. कई बार क्या होता है, उधर से चलो आवाज नहीं, इधर नहीं आ रही, इधर नहीं हो रही, but when there is no sound is there, no work is going on, no activity is going on, that there will be a huge silence is there. Write the answer. Because of the huge silence, बस लिख लो, because of the huge silence. What characteristics? Third one. What characteristics of this exotic movement? What characteristics of this exotic movement does the poet list here? Does the poet list here? I'll send the PDF picture. There will be no movement. Characteristics लिखेंगे of this question. What characteristics? There will be no movement. You put the comma with my pause. No running about and rush. There will be no movement. No running about and rush. No noise of machines. No noise of machines. And moreover, all the people of the world would be together. And moreover, all the people of the world would be together. Okay, no movement, no running about and rush, no noise of machines, and moreover, we would all be together. Last question of this paragraph. How would we feel at that moment? How would we feel at that moment? We will enjoy that moment. We will enjoy that moment. There will be peace all around. There will be peace all around, right? Feeling calm and relaxed, good. Peace all around in the absence of rush and noise. In the absence of rush and noise. See lines 7 to 10. Lines 1 to 6, we stop all activities up to 12 for 1 second. Okay? We will not do any activity, we will not speak any language like this. When it is the poet, he said so in line 1 to 6, then in line 7 to 10 it is how, then what type of movement it will be? It will be very strange movement. It will be very unusual movement. How? Because we all would be together. There would be stillness, quietness, because no running about or rush is there, no machines they are working, and no vehicles they apply on the road. It's clear? See the third paragraph.
What is the meaning of alliteration?
Alliteration इस लाइन में है किसी में. We would all be together. We would all be together. In the whole line, which letter is repeated? W. When one letter is repeated more than one time, that is alliteration. Okay? When one letter is repeated, that is alliteration.
In last line also.
Yeah, sudden strangeness. When we know what is the alliteration, we can find out. If any line comes in exam and the alliteration is asked, or the poetic alliteration is not there and the poetic device is asked, first we see whether there is any comparison. No comparison is there. That means simile and metaphor cross. What another can be there? And if there would be, suppose we would all be together. We would all be together. What is it? Repetition. Repetition. When one word is repeated more than one time in one sentence, that is repetition. Clear now? Alliteration and repetition. Alliteration when one letter is repeated, repetition when one word is repeated. So now we is repeated. हमने सिर्फ repetition and like simile I have given you the answer on that day. We will not write only the repetition, alliteration is there. Okay? Only we will write about the repetition hyphen we word is repeated in the line. Okay? We will tell in detail. So you see. हाँ जी.
Can we say engine is the metaphor for machines?
नहीं, engine is machine. How it is a metaphor? Engine mean machine. ठीक है ना, जो भी इंजन कह लो या मशीन कह लो तो मशीन ही हो गए ना. दैट इज मशीन है. मशीन किससे चलती है? विदाउट इंजन इट विल नॉट प्ले. फिर तो वो उसका एक ढांचा है. व्हाट इज देयर विद द हेल्प ऑफ द मशीन इज रनिंग. दैट व्हाट इज दैट इज इंजन. बाइक है, स्कूटर है, कार है. इंजन को रख दो घर में, ले जाओ. कहाँ लेके जाएंगे? We can't take. That means engine, that is not a metaphor. That itself is a machine. Lines 15 to 21. अच्छा, one more line is there. इसमें नहीं है. Anybody is having book? Thank you. Fishermen. That is lines 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 11 to 14. 11 to 14. Very simple lines these are. Fishermen in the cold sea. Cold sea, the sea part, but near the poles, north and south. Cold sea would not harm whales. As I told you that we are killing animals, and when what is mentioned here, the mentioned here is the killing whales. And the fishermen in the cold sea, they kill the whales. And the man gathering salt would look at his hurt hands. He would look at his hurt hand. The man gathering salt, polluting the environment, okay? And his hands, they are hurt. From morning till evening, till night, we can say that he's just gathering the salt. When he gathers the salt, his hand, they are hurt. He sees towards his hurt hand, but he wants to gather more and more salt from the sea water for the sake of his family, for earning more and more money. Okay? He knows that my hands, they are hurting, but even then, he doesn't stop. Kar raha kaam. The poet, he says, the man who is gathering salt in the sea, he sees towards his hurt hand, but even then he doesn't stop. And the fisherman, he is killing whales in the cold seas. But when we will count up to 12 for 1 second, when for a trial, when we will stop our activities, the person who hurts his hand will see towards his hurt hand, he may stop. Okay, then he may stop. And the man who is killing whales, he may stop. He says this thing. What is the poet he wants to say about the keeping quiet? He stop, but it is there. That is the keeping quiet is there. About keeping quiet, that we should stop the activity regarding the same. In these 4 paragraphs, 2 things are mentioned by the poet. One is killing of whales. Another one is collecting salt. While collecting salt, it's not so easy job. They just take the water like this and they just rub with their hands, and the chemicals which are coming how, and the sea water, it is polluting, no doubt. And he is just destroying the environment. But even then, for the family, he has to do. The person, those who are cutting trees, they are not cutting, they are doing their work, doing their job for earning the money for the family. They are doing the work. But even then, the poet says we should stop this. Okay, we should not harm our environment. In these 4 lines, it is mentioned there. Now, type of the question is there. If any question come, what is the fisherman was doing? He is killing whales. Okay, and the man who is gathering salt, what type of the hands are there? We should know what these 4 lines are there. Next one, 15 to 21. Those who prepare up to doing nothing. Now, what the poet he is mentioning in these lines from 15 to 21. First, I read the lines. Those who prepare green wars, wars with gas, wars with fire, victory with no survivors, would put on clean clothes and walk about with their brothers in the shade doing nothing. What he says? He says that he now in this paragraph, he is talking about the people, about the person, the warmongers who are preparing for the different wars. Green war, war against environment. यही cutting trees like the greenery खत्म कर देनी, resorts बनाने, buildings बनानी. Okay, green war. And the another wars, they are the atomic wars are there. Wars with the fires, wars with the weapons. Okay, when this war is there, what is the fact of these wars? Destruction, property, lives. And the poet he says, when there will be no survivor. Now, if there will be the atomic war, हमें जब पता भी है थर्ड वर्ल्ड वॉर हुई, बोलते रहते हैं हम. If there will be the third world war, nobody will survive. सभी मर जाएंगे, सब खत्म हो जाएंगे. Atomic war will be there. So what is that? When there will be, the poet he says, when there will be no survivor, then how we will enjoy the victory? Who will enjoy the victory when no survivor will be there? So the poet he says, we should stop for 1 second and we should think कि what we are doing. पीछे बन गए थे हालात सारे चाइना का भी. Okay, पाकिस्तान तो अभी भी बॉर्डर पे चलो चल ही रहा है. तो there was a कि now there will be a war. अगर war हो जाते ऊपर से कोरोना इधर से war, now there will be, वही कह रहे थे दुनिया खत्म हो जानी है, now 2020 is there, everything will be finished. It was like that. So what is that war? The poet, he says that what we should think about for 1 second, we should stop this thing. And those warmongers, those who are preparing for the different wars, what he says, that they would put on clean clothes. They would put on clean clothes. When I would count up to 12, they'll stop and they will put on clean clothes. Mean no pollution will be there, and they will be under the trees and they will do nothing. Everything is going very peacefully and very well. When we will stop for 1 second and we will get the time for the self introspection, and we think what is where we are going, what we are doing, then we should stop these destructive activities, that there should be peaceful life. Victory with no survivors would put on clean clothes and walk about with their brothers. Walk about with their brothers, everybody will be there. Nobody will die. We all were the survivors. When there will be no war, naturally we are the survivors and we are enjoying the life. Okay? Question लिखोगे इसका थोड़ा सा.
Counting up to 12 are same.
No. Counting up to 12, we should stop our activities for how much time? For 1 second. हम करते हैं ना 1, 2, 3. रेस जब भी लगती है 3 तक बोलते हैं ना, ठीक है ना. 3 पे we start running. Start running mean, और हम फिर टाइम भी नोट कर दे. The person who will stood first, who will come back within 2 minutes. जो 2 मिनट में चक्कर लगा के वापस आ जाएगा, he will be the winner. लेकिन हम काउंट कब तक करते हैं? 3 तक. 1, 2, 3. Yes, he starts, he has to come back. That period is 1 second. काउंट कितना करना है? 12. ओके, वो ये कह रहे हैं. काउंटिंग और वो एक जैसा साथ नहीं है. Time period, duration is 1 second, and when that 1 second should be started when he counts up to 12. When he counts up to 12. What are the different kinds of wars? What are the different kinds of wars? Described in the stanza. Described in the stanza. 3 types of wars are described. Put hyphen. 3 types of wars are described. Put hyphen. Green wars, wars with gas, and wars with fire. Fire mean armaments. Gas, atomic war will be there. Okay, war with gas and war with fire. ये bomb वगैरह armaments जो भी होते हैं, gun, shots and the. What do you mean by green war? Second question. What do you mean by green war? Right. War with the environment. Green war means war with environment, with the environment. Audible है आवाज आ रही है, कोई नोट करे? Blink. अच्छा. What do you mean by, sorry, why do people prepare for wars? No, it's, why do people prepare for wars? Why do people prepare for wars? To bring victories. We can make the sentence, people prepare for wars to bring victory. Write in short form, to bring victories. Can you call it a victory? No, because there will be no survivor to enjoy the victory, right? Question लिख लीजिए. Can you call it a victory? No, because no survivors are left to enjoy the victory. No, because no survivors are left to enjoy the victory. So, this was our part one. Okay? What was the heading of the part one?
Effects of keeping.
हाँ, keeping quiet. क्या होगा? What are the effects? If we will stop our activities, we will get the time for the self introspection. And when we can stop our activity, different languages and so everything, and the people, those who are preparing for the war, the fisherman who is killing whales, and the salt gatherer person who is gathering salt and seeing his hurt hand like this. That is all about the keeping quiet. What are the facts of the keeping quiet? It's a small poem, but even then we have divided just to learn for this thing that what is mentioned in lines number, what is the last line is 21. 1 to 6. But the poetry says, I'll count up to 12 and we should stop all the activity for once only, for trial only. Then 7 to 10, exotic movement. How it is exotic movement? When there will be the huge silence in the whole universe. After that, 11 to 14, fisherman and the person who is gathering salt. Last one is 15 to 21, about the warmongers. Okay? Those who are preparing 3 types of MONGERS. Mongers. Those who are preparing for the war. And why there is no victory? Because no survivors are left. And if he would count up to 12, then all the people, they will sit together, they will stand together under the tree and they will put on clean clothes. That means environment that is very much clean. And all the people, they are the survivors. Nobody has died. Part 1 is clear. Now write down part 2. Yes, Peter.
Can this be the meaning of clean thoughts, that making a new beginning?
Making a
New beginning.
कहाँ पे दिया?
I am asking that can this be the meaning of clean clothes?
Clean clothes.
Making a new beginning.
Making a, when it will be a making a new, all the, maybe the clean clothes, they are together, nobody has died. Okay, they are together and they have worn the clean clothes, no pollution was there. That means after stopping for 1 second, they start towards one direction. They got the future course of action. They want to live forever. जब तक लाइफ है, ये थ्रेटनिंग नहीं है कि प्लैनेट अर्थ खत्म हो जाएगा, लाइफ ही नहीं रहनी, जी लो जितना जीना है, कुछ साल ही है, दुनिया ही खत्म होने वाली है. Such type of the threatening would not be there if I would count up to 12 and for once we will stop these activities. Naturally, that is a new beginning, new life. It will be clear, more clear in the second part also. Now write down part 2. क्या हेडिंग दे दो इसका? Okay. The lesson by the earth. The lesson by the earth. There is not any part 2, part 1. वो हमने अपने learning के लिए हमने divide किया poem को. Okay, in 2 parts. We have divided the poem for ourselves. Now, in the part 1, the poet is saying in all the paragraphs, stop activity, don't do this, don't do that. Now in part 2, the poet says, I am not in favor of inactivity. Inactivity means death, but I am in favor of life. I'm not saying that you stop activities and you sit there. No, I don't have any association with inactivity. We have to do the activity. We will progress. We will go ahead. But we will enjoy the life also. What he wants to see. There should not be any total inactivity. I don't have any truck. Truck means association with the inactivity. He gives the example of the earth. He says we can get a very good lesson from the earth. How? We know that in winter season, what is in autumn season? All the leaves they follow. Okay, and the whole earth appears like a dead. No greenery is there, no life is there, no flowers are there, very dull, and it seems the fields they are not green, the hills and the mountains they are bare. Okay, no trees are there, trees are there, but the only we can see the brown branches and the woods. The poet he says that means earth is dead. No, in that time, in winter or in autumn, when everything seems dead on in the whole, you can say the earth, but it not in, it depends upon the atmosphere and the temperature in different countries like that. At that time, the seed which is under the earth, it sprouts in different new vegetation when in the spring season. It is lying under the earth in winter and in autumn. But next, in the spring season, it sprouts in new vegetation. Then there will be different color of the flowers are there, greenery is there, plants are there, so many beautiful leaves are there. That means at the time of inactiveness, the earth is preparing itself for a better life. In the same manner, if we will stop our activities for once, we are preparing ourselves for the better life in future or in coming time. There will be planet Earth, then there will not be any threat to our life. We will enjoy our life. This thing he wants to say in part 2. Okay? वो कहते हैं कि अगर मैं आपको कह रहा हूँ ये नहीं करो, वो नहीं करो, ये नहीं करो, that doesn't mean that I am in favor of the inactiveness. See the lines. (22 to 35). Full poem is there. Lines 22 to 35. देखो जरा. What I want should not be confused with total inactivity. That should not be confused. That should not be stuck with the total inactivity. Life is what it is about. Life is progressing. Life is active, doing work. I want no truck with death. Truck association with the death. I want to just move all the time. I want no truck with death. If we were not so single-minded, determined, at one, अगर हम सारे इकट्ठे होके एक बात ना सोचे, we are not so determined, single-minded, about which? About keeping our lives moving. When we are moving our life, we are running, we are rushing. That means, and for once could do nothing. For a trial, we would not do nothing. Then perhaps a huge silence, strangeness, unusual, exotic movement. Then perhaps a huge silence might interrupt this sadness. Which sadness? Inner sense. Okay, not to realize our self-introspection. Inner silence, but next line the answer is given, might interrupt this sadness. Sadness is never understanding ourselves. Underline this line. That is the question of might interrupt this sadness. Might interrupt. What interrupt? Huge silence. It might interrupt, it might give us the time for the self-introspection. We should understand ourselves and of threatening ourselves with death. When there is a threatening to our life, and when we stop for 1 second, we get the time for ourselves, and we will think what we are doing, where we are going, we may get the direction of our future course of action. When we get the direction of our future course of action, then there will be good life, there will be better life, no threatening of the life will be there on the planet Earth. We can save our planet Earth. Read the line. If any point is not clear, ask to me.
The poet wants progression without destruction.
Yeah, without destruction. every line, every word should be clear. Line 1. Okay. What I want should not be confused with total inactivity. Confused, mistaken. Ki don't mistook me that I am having any association with the death. What I want should not be confused with total inactivity. I am in favor of activity. I also want that the life should be progressing, it is running. That should not be total inactivity. Life is what it is about. No truck with death, no association with death. What is death? Inactiveness. हमने देखा था in the first poem. Okay, when the poet's mother, she is sitting beside her, dozing her mouth open, and she was just so wan, colorless. That means that is inactiveness. When we compare the atmosphere inside the car and outside the car, what is their progress? But the children, they are spilling, coming out from their home. Trees, they are sprinting. What is there? That is activeness. That is a life. So the poet, he says, I don't have, when I say that you stop all the activities, that doesn't mean that there is inactivities there and there is death. No, I don't have any association with the death. I'm fully, how he says that he is not having any association with the death but with the life, because in this period of inactiveness, we will prepare ourselves for the better life in future. Single-minded, determined. Might interrupt this sadness, might come in between this sadness. Which sadness? Not to understand ourselves. Sadness is not to understand ourselves. That is sadness. Next line में दिया हुआ है, of never understanding ourselves. Might interrupt, might come. You write the question, then you will understand. What does the poet want? What does the poet want? Question mark. Why? What does the poet want? Why? The poet wants that we should keep quiet. We should quiet and still for 1 second. Quiet and still for 1 second. He does not want total inactivity. He does not want total inactivity. He wants only a pause. Pause को बड़ा सा कैपिटल लेटर में करके लिख दो, PAUSE, pause. He wants only a pause. What does total inactivity mean? Question number 2. What does total inactivity mean? It means doing nothing at all. It means doing nothing at all. It is another name for idleness. It is another name for idleness. Okay, in question number 1, why answer is not there? Somebody has asked. What answer I given to you?
The poet wants that we should quiet and stay still for 1 second. He does not want total inactivity. He wants only a pause.
Okay, why? Because activity is life. Why का आंसर लिख लीजिए. वैसे तो इसी में ही आ गया था. चलो, if somebody is asking, because life, activity is life and inactivity is death. Why? The answer of why in question number 1 is because activity is life and inactivity is death. So it doesn't want that it should be associated with the death. ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 में ही आंसर आ जाना है. हाउ आर वी सिंगल माइंडेड? हाउ आर वी सिंगल माइंडेड?
Because we are determined to fulfill the dreams of self-centeredness.
We can't say the self-centeredness. Meaning is right what you want to say. Single-minded in moving on and on. Okay? Rushing, hurrying, stop, moving on and on. We are single-minded in moving on and on. We are single-minded in moving on and on. They never stop to think. They never stop to think what they are doing, and why they are rushing and hurrying. What they are doing and why they are rushing and hurrying. What they are doing and why they are rushing and hurrying. If in one sentence we have to write the answer, ये पूरी line जो मैंने बाद में बोली है, move on and on without any direction. वो भी यही हो गया ना कि कहाँ जाना है, किधर जाना है, क्या है, क्या कर क्या रहे हैं हम. ओके, बिल्डिंग्स बनाते जा रहे हैं, पेड़ काटते जा रहे हैं, हाईवे बनाते जा रहे हैं, 4 lanes 3 lanes. तो ये मीन्स हम एक वर्ड में भी लिख सकते हैं विदाउट एनी डायरेक्शन. नेक्स्ट वन. चलो बस बहुत इतना सिंगल माइंडेड तक की. लास्ट पैराग्राफ, लाइंस 36 to 40. to 40. I think paragraph 5 is there. Perhaps the earth, see the lines. Perhaps the earth. I'll go. Perhaps the earth can teach us, as when everything seems dead and later proves to be alive. So, as I told you earlier also, we can learn a lesson from the earth. When in autumn and winter season, it appears that the earth is dead. No leaves, no vegetation is there. And at that time, the seeds which are hidden under the earth, they sprout in a new vegetation in the spring season, and there is a life. So we can learn this lesson that at the time of the inactivity, at the time when it is dead, it is preparing itself for better life. So the poet says, now I'll count up to 12 and you keep quiet and I'll go. Okay? It's clear? Part 2? Part 2 mein main kya tha? Inactiveness. The poet, what he says? That I'm not having any association with the death. I don't want to say this thing, that we should stop all the activities. No. We are in this inactiveness, we are preparing ourselves for the better future. And this thing we can learn from the earth. 2 marks question सिर्फ एक लिखेंगे जो important है. Write in commas. When everything seems dead, when everything seems dead and later proves to be alive. When everything seems dead and later proves to be alive. Comma close, full stop. This is the line of the poem. Okay, question is, how does the poet justify or prove the statement? How does the poet justify or prove the statement? This is of 3 marks, 2 marks. In the poem, question is, when everything seems dead and later proves to be alive, this is a line of the poem, comma, inverted comma close. How does the poet justify or prove the statement? In the poem, the poet says that stillness. In the poem, the poet says that stillness does not mean total inactivity, does not mean total inactivity, which stands for death. Which stands for death. He means to say that under apparent apparent complete. Under apparent stillness, there exists life. He means to say that under apparent stillness, there exists life. This is proved by the earth, E capital. This is proved by the earth, which is apparently still and inactive, during autumn or winter season. During autumn or winter season, and later on in spring season, new and fresh life. Later on in spring season, new and fresh life appears on the earth, in the form of new plants and vegetation. In the form of new plants and vegetation. During the period of stillness and inactivity, the earth had been preparing for giving new life to the world. The earth had been preparing for giving new life to the earth.
The earth has been preparing.
For giving new life to the world. Last question, 2 things were there. एक तो ये question important है, one is sadness के ऊपर आ जाता है. Okay, last question of this poem. This answer is, हाँ बोलो.
In this question, in this answer, there was a line. He means to say that under apparent stillness, there dash
Exists life.
exists
Exists life है. EXISTS. ठीक है. What is the sadness? Sadness is in comma. Last question of the poem. What is the sadness that the poet? What is the sadness that the poet refers to in the poem? That the poet refers to in the poem. Answer. The sadness that the poet refers to, is the sadness caused due to our not understanding ourselves. Due to our not understanding ourselves. Man's tragedy is that he understands much. Man's tragedy is that he understands much. हाँ डबल है नहीं कोई बात नहीं. He understands much. Almost everything on the earth. He understands much, almost everything on this earth, but he does not understand himself.
Man's tragedy is that
He understands much, almost everything on this earth, but he does not understand himself and his actions. But he does not understand himself and his actions. This causes him troubles and suffering. This causes him troubles and suffering, which lead to his sadness. Which lead to his sadness. Due to his actions, he is always threatening himself with death. He is always threatening himself with death. Due to his actions, he is always threatening himself with death. Okay, so this is our poem, Keeping Quiet. It's clear? Who is the poet? Pablo Neruda. Keeping quiet means stop our activities for once, only for a trial, just to save this planet Earth. When we will stop all the activities. There will be huge silence in the whole universe that will remove our sadness. What sadness? Not to finding the time for our self-introspection, for finding what we are doing, what is our future course of action. Without any direction, if we are running, we are going, we are doing the work, that means we are leading to disaster. Okay? Which cause? Clear the first 3 lines of the first answer. Okay, I'll send you the answers. I'll send the answers in group. Now, at the time of the speaking and teaching, it's not what I am speaking and what you people are writing. I can't repeat the same, but even then the relevant answer should be given to you. Okay? You can send in the group or you can send to me personally also. What was apparent stillness? Apparent means complete stillness. When the seeds, they are under the earth, and they are under the earth, and when they will sprout in new vegetation in spring season. That is apparent stillness. Apparent complete stillness. हमारे पैर के नीचे जमीन के अंदर पूरा बीज है, बोया हुआ है, क्या है, कब निकलेगा, कब स्प्राउट होगा, that is apparent. The position is apparent, complete stillness.
Can we say the phase of apparent stillness is the phase of rejuvenation?
Phase of
Rejuvenation.
naturally. He is giving the example of the earth. Okay, we are not here talking about what the seeds about this. What he wants to say in the second part, what he wants to say that don't think that I am in favor of the inactiveness. Inactiveness means death, and this thing we can learn from the planet Earth. Okay, when it is still, it is preparing itself for the coming life, for the better life. He wants to say this thing. So I'll take pause for 1 minute. After that, we will do the invitations. Formal we have done. Today we will do the informal.
There is a break.
You can say the break one, not so, because what's the time? It's 12. 2-3 minutes only. Just take the pause for 2-3 minutes. Okay, if you want to go, you can go. 2-3 minutes only. Then we will start the informal invitations. We have started the formal invitation last time also. And we have written A, B, C, D, 4 forms. Okay. So at that time, I given you which type of question? Informal question. A birthday celebration was there. That was an informal question. Now suppose there is formal question in the exam and the formal letter of invitation comes. How we will write? First I will do that. Then we will start informal invitations. Okay. Write the question. You are the general manager of You are the general manager of a plastic factory. You are the general manager of a plastic factory. You have received a letter from the students. You have received a letter from the students of a school. From the students of a school who wish to see your factory. Who wish to see your factory. Write a formal reply. School who wish to see your factory. Who wish to see your factory. Write a formal reply telling them. Write a formal reply telling them that they are allowed. Telling them that they are allowed to visit on a particular day. They are allowed to visit on a particular day. First, make the box. Don't close the box. First, vertical and lines. You are the general manager of a plastic factory. No name is given. We can write of our own. Okay? Messrs. Leave one line, then the date. Today is 19th. Again, leave one line to the person to whom you are writing the letter. The secretary students council कोई भी public school, any name we can write also. Karnal. First, the person who is writing the letter, his address, then leave one line, then date, again leave one line, the person to whom we are writing the letter. Because this person is giving the reply, that is not the invitation, okay? Our question is, he is giving the reply to the students. Naturally, student council is there, so we will write the secretary ourselves. Otherwise, किसको हमने letter लिखना है, that we should think, to whom we are writing the letter. It is very much clear in the question also. So the secretary, school, student council, then the name of the school and Karnal. After that, sir, इससे next line एक line छोड़ के subject we can write formal letter है, we can omit, we can write also. दोनों ही तरफ से ठीक है, लिखना तो भी ठीक है, नहीं लिखना तो भी ठीक है. Sir, okay? If we are writing the subject, then we can, what we can write? To allow visit in the factory. Otherwise we can, चल भी जाता है, ना भी लिखो तो भी ठीक. Request. चलो, one line subject should be there. So we can write the subject also. One line subject. After this, leave one line. Sir, then leave one line, then subject.
Salutation comes before subject.
Both are right. Subject, sir, sir, subject. Both are right. Okay?
In the first line, we have written message.
In the first line, these are the masters. Masters business में नहीं होता है, MESSERS masters जो business वगैरह करते हैं, ठीक है? We are writing the masters.
M/S.
हाँ, M/S. So this is the formal letter and it comes as a formal. Okay, letter be formal hai because this is not to a friend or any relative is there. So start writing with reference to your content paragraph. With reference to your
After subject, we have to leave a line.
not necessary, depends upon your writing also. छोटा छोटा लिखते हो, no need. It should look very neat and clean. अगर so that the subject should not be merged with your writing. Okay, clarity should be there. So you can leave, you can't. दोनों ठीक है. It depends. But the matter that should be very much clear, neat and clean. With reference to your letter for permission, with reference to your letter for permission to visit our factory, for permission to visit our factory, comma, you are hereby informed that you are hereby informed that the authorities have agreed to your request. The authorities have agreed to your request. I am repeating. With reference to your letter for permission to visit our factory, comma, you are hereby informed that the authorities have agreed to to your request, have agreed to your request. The group of students may visit the factory on Monday, comma, the 21st December 20XX, we can write 2020. The group should report at 12 a.m. sharp. The group should report at 10 a.m. sharp under the guidance of a senior teacher. Under the guidance of a senior teacher. ये थोड़ी ऑफिशियल लेटर है तो वी कैन राइट लाइक दिस. जर्नल मैनेजर. This is on behalf of. ठीक है? The person who is writing, he is not the journal manager. This means on behalf of. Right? So here we can write this sign. Journal manager. And the principal is not giving the answer to so many letters. That is from the administrative office. Okay? Clerk, head clerk, जो भी देते हैं answer. That is on behalf of. और in other letters we will write. और कोई एक आदि लिखोगे तो उसमें आपका आएगा yours sincerely करके. Yours sincerely the person is writing the letter.
Slash hyphen.
हाँ. Slash hyphen. On behalf of. Yeah. Because this is of how many marks? 3 marks. This is question number 4. ठीक है ना? Question number 3. Notice or advertisement, we have to do only 1. This is our question number 4. This was a reply, former reply was there. Now, Hanji beta.
After paragraph and before HT, we have to leave a line.
You leave the line because here we are not writing yours sincerely, Y is capital and it is very much visible because this is there and it may not merge in our last line. So we can leave. It depends what type of the question is there and how we are writing. Okay. Now only take the question and you write the answer yourself for the practice. Not now, at home. In that we will do the oral discussion. After that we will start informal. नहीं, nothing like this. इसमें तो कुछ भी नहीं है. बस. This is official type of the letter. No? He is writing to the principal, to the secretary of the student council in the school. You are Meenakshi Patania. You are Meenakshi Patania, comma, secretary, students council of your school. You are Meenakshi Patania, secretary, students council of your school. Your council is organizing a debate competition, D or C capital. Your council is organizing a debate competition on the topic, write in commas, should religion and politics go together? Should religion and politics go together? Send a formal letter of invitation to the Deputy Commissioner, DOC capital, to the Deputy Commissioner of your district to preside over the function. Send a formal letter of invitation to the Deputy Commissioner of your district to preside over the function. Okay? Now from this only we will do the orally. Instead of this part of the letter, what we will write according to this question? We will write the student council, name of school, name of city. ठीक है? Write down. Students council, students after S apostrophe comma. Students council, S or C capital. Next line, take the any name of the school, AK public school, AK public school. लिख लो जो भी लिखना है अपने अपने स्कूल का नाम. नेक्स्ट वन इज करनाल, AK पब्लिक स्कूल करनाल. लीव वन लाइन, डेट. अगेन लीव वन लाइन, to whom we are writing? Right, the should be there. The Deputy Commissioner, Karnal. हाँ, D capital. DEPUTY COMMISSIONER, the Deputy Commissioner, Karnal. Again, leave one line. Sir. Okay. Now what we will write, वही journal. आप उनको invite कर रहे हैं. You just listen to me. The Student Council of the school is organizing a debate competition on the topic, should religion and politics go together? On this date we have written, we can take 25, 26, any date. Okay, 25th December 20XX at 10 a.m. in the school. It will be a matter of great pleasure and honor to us if you spare some of your valuable time to preside over the function. आप invite कर रहे हैं ना उनको कि आप इतने बजे हमारे यहाँ पे आएंगे. आप लिख लो 2 लाइनें, बिकॉज इसका लास्ट लाइन एक और है. शॉर्ट में फटाफट लिख लो अपने आप ही. You write of your own. The student council of the school.
Here the confusion of apostrophe in student council.
All students. Okay, if one student will be there, students एक बच्चे की, then apostrophe, then students. These are the students, apostrophe comma is there, students. The Students' Council of the school is organizing a debate competition on the topic this in this. A debate competition on the topic. टॉपिक की जगह लाइन लगा दीजिए, टॉपिक लिखा हुआ है क्वेश्चन में. On 25th December 2020 at 10 a.m. in the school. 25th December at 10 a.m. in the school. It will be a matter of great pleasure. It will be a matter of great pleasure and honor to us. Great pleasure and honor to us if you spare some of your valuable time. If you spare some of your valuable time to preside over the function. valuable time to preside over the function. New line, new paragraph. Kindly send भी नहीं, ये क्या हो गया? Kindly confirm your availability. Kindly confirm your availability, whether he will be able to come or not, so that we should call to another chief guest. Okay, availability. Then next is yours करके, अब इसमें आएगा Y capital, no apostrophe comma, yours should be like this. YOURS, yours sincerely.
You have to leave one line after kindly.
Available after available.
Leave the line. आपको खुद ही डिफरेंस पता चल जाएगा, फॉर्मेट का इतना नहीं है वो, ठीक है? Yours sincerely, who is writing the letter? मीनाक्षी पठानिया. Meenakshi Patania. Who is Meenakshi Patania?
Secretary of the
That should be in the bracket. Secretary. ऊपर लिखा ही हुआ है हमने स्टूडेंट काउंसिल. ठीक है, मीनाक्षी पठानिया, designation in bracket, secretary. So in this way it come. In previous question, the person is different. He is writing on behalf of the general manager. So this portion was not there. Only SD that करके फिर persons ने. This is your formal invitation. If formal invitation, informal letter is there and it comes as a formal, then our previous A, B, C, D. If the question is formal and formal letter comes in the exam, then what we have done today. Difference is clear? अभी तक हम फॉर्मली किए हैं, इनफॉर्मल नहीं किया अभी हमने.
They will specify yes.
Which one?
Formal and informal. Write a formal letter and informal.
You see the question I given to you. In both the question it is written. Write the formal reply, write the formal invitation. This is your question. Send a formal letter of invitation. Okay. In that last question, write a formal reply. So it is clear from the question. What type of question it is. Write down.
That's the sincerely is capital or small.
Which one?
Sincerely as.
Which better? Sorry.
Sincerely or sincere.
S small. S small. Informal. Invitations and replies. Informal invitations and replies. They are also in the form of the letter which we have just done. Okay, जैसे हम आम letter लिखते हैं. That is in the form of that. Your son Alok, question is, your son Alok is going to Australia. Your son Alok is going to Australia for higher studies. For higher studies. You have organized a farewell dinner on this occasion. You have organized a farewell dinner on this occasion. Invite a friend of yours. Invite a friend of yours on the occasion. Invite a friend of yours on the occasion. Now suppose this question is there. Nothing is written, formal, informal. If nothing is written, what I told you? Informal. Okay? If nothing is written, that means that is informal. And if formal is written, then आप मुझे यही बताओगे A, B, C, D में से. If instead of there is written, write a formal, which answer should come? B1. B answer will come. Na? He is to his friend. Invite a friend of yours. A तो था बहुत सारे कार्ड चिपवाने हैं हमने, ठीक है ना? तो ये अपने फ्रेंड को बुला रहा है. That is invite a friend of yours. That means B answer will come. If formal is written there, but nothing is written, your question is invite a friend of yours. If nothing is written, then we will write in the same manner as we have done just now. Make a box. Ten civil lines. Karnal. 19th December. Ten civil lines, sender's address, leave one line, date, then the salutation to whom you are writing the letter. As we were doing in our junior classes. Dear uncle, dear papa, dear friend. Okay, like this. You have to leave the lines. This gap means I left the lines. Dear,
We will put small d in there.
small d. This is the name, that's why in capital. This is the first letter, that's why it's capital. Okay. My dear Bhushan. Any name we can write. If something is given, then we will write the same name. Otherwise, we can write any name. Now, what is informal? B point. We have written in third person. So this is informal. We will write in first person. Okay. So you write down. You will be glad to know that. You leave one line, you can leave. You can continue. You will be glad to know that my son Alok, is leaving for Australia. My son Alok is leaving for Australia for higher studies. For higher studies. I have arranged a farewell dinner. So we can write likewise also in between, just to make it very attractive. Farewell dinner. In this way we can write. कोई rule नहीं होता, that we just to beautify our writing. I have arranged a farewell dinner on this occasion. On this occasion at my residence. At my residence at 8 p.m. on Monday, the 21st December 2020. 21st December 2020. It will be my pleasure. Continue. It will be my pleasure and a special privilege. It will be my pleasure and a special privilege if you could make it convenient. If you could make it convenient to join us on this happy occasion. It will be my pleasure and special privilege if you could make it convenient to join us on this happy occasion. Next again, leave one line. Yours sincerely. नीचे ही आ जाएगा YOURS. Sincerely, as small. You write any name is given. You करके you write any name. A.K. Sharma, B.K. Goyal, write कुछ भी लिख दो. Take any name, the person who is inviting, and close the box. Then you highlight and the other things are there. This is informal invitation. अगर reply भी आ सकता है तो भी nothing, no address is given. Suppose instead of that you are you have accepted the invitation of a birthday of your friend that his son is going for going to Australia for higher study in this one. Nothing is given, we can write the same. क्या पता ये किसका address है, किसी का भी हो जाए. When nothing is given in the question, we can write the same, we can write the same, we can write the same. Who is the person who is writing? Nothing is given in the question. ये तो हमें पता है ना, ये हमने लिखा है. But here we can write. I'm thankful for your invitation, for inviting me. It's a matter of proud for us that Alok is going abroad. Only 1 or 2 lines, because this is only of 3 marks. आप देखो 1 mark का format है. Only content that will be of 2 marks. 1 plus 2. Okay? तो बड़ा छोटा सा content लिखना है. So whenever we are writing the reply, first of all, as we have done in the formal also, first we thanks for the invitation, then we accept or regret what is in the question. If regret is there, then I'm feeling very sorry that I couldn't attend the function as my son is coming from America, this and that, or you can write another engagement also, okay? If you're accepting, so I'm feeling very proud and I will be definitely there on time and enjoy the occasion. In this way, we will end only 3-4 sentences, 2-3 sentences. These are our invitations. Some sample papers are also in the market. One refresher if you want, full marks book, that is good, that is in the market. Or you can take the BBC also and other books also. So many books are there. And you must go through the poems and their content and the question answer. More and more we will read, we will be able to describe our answers. Okay? Thank you so much. Yes, but
Yours sincerely, we have to leave a line.
no. After that, no. Yours sincerely, name of the person is. That is the way. That is the way to get the 3 out of 3. If you are writing in a flat manner, suppose I am getting 2 notebooks. One has written likewise. ठीक है, डेट है, डेट को भी हाईलाइट कर दिया और फेयरवेल डिनर को भी हाईलाइट कर दिया. At 8 p.m. 8 को हाईलाइट किया. And one boy, he has written these 3 lines. Naturally, I'll deduct 1. Out of 3, I'll give 2.5. Here, I'll give 3 out of 3. That is the difference only. How to beautify, how to show your content to the examiner in a very short time. Informal letter, no. In only business letter, we are writing the dear sir. That is sir only. To the principal also, sir. Okay?